Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be using Fusion 360 to create a wall mount for one from a clock that I got from my grandfather. After both him and my grandmother passed away. It was about a year ago. So I have never put this clock up on the wall yet. It's old school plug, and we got a okay. We got a little I guess indent or cutout right here for it to sit on, and I got these command strips. So clearly that's not going to fit on there. So we got to make an adapter so this will fit. There'll be a hole poking through, or something poking through the hole, resting on it, and on that we're gonna put the command strips on top of it. So let's get started. All right. All right. So now, oh nope. First, camera, come down here. Come down here, camera. Okay. So I want to zoom out. Zoom out. I know you can do this, camera. There we go. Now you stop following me. I gotta keep remembering which commands are which. Oh, come on. It's like if I don't do it dead on to this camera, it just sucks. All right. So I got a clock here. I gotta measure out the hole on the inside. First we should file. Because of Fusion 360's stupid thing, I need to throw something in read only in order to make this a savable project. And we're gonna label it clock adapter. Okay. So I gotta measure using calipers. Okay. I gotta measure using calipers on the hole on the top. So the circular part of it is gonna be 10 millimeters. Okay. So let's go into create a sketch. There. Circle. 10 millimeters. Okay. And then there's going to be like this triangle piece on top. I don't know if you saw that in there, but there's a triangle piece. There's a triangle piece like right up here. And I got to figure out how to do that because that's going to be where it sinks into. Let's do that. All right. That little one is going to be I guess 4 millimeters somewhere, and I think it's going to be more of a circle. So, circle. 4 millimeters. And I think they just placed one on top of another, to be honest. Okay, line. We're going to do this. Boop. Circle. 4. Yeah, it kind of looks right. Delete that circle. I don't need that one anymore. Alright, so we're going to make this, we're going to extrude that, that. And how big is this? Okay, I gotta figure how big the metal plate is. It's gonna be, the standard metal plate is 2, but I think I should throw it out to maybe 4, 5. Alright, so I forgot the standard rule is it's going to grow there. So I'm gonna make that, oh, no. So instead of 10, I'm gonna make it 9. Instead of 4, I'm gonna make it 3. Because when you 3D print something, plastic, it expands, and it's not like a mold where the mold's pressing up against it. It's freeform, so it flows out over a distance. So it'll be bigger than what you put on the modeling right there. Plus, you never want to do fitted parts right next to each other, because like it won't slot in as easy. 3, 4. Okay, so it's going to be 4, at least 4. So we're going to do 6, just so it has something to hang off of. And one side, I don't know how I'm going to grip it onto it. Control Z. Let's do a sketch on that circle. Now I want to have something like on the back of it, so it latches on, where it goes into the hole, and it just kind of like sits there, so it doesn't go any further, or it doesn't back away. So no, this side is going into the clock, so it's got to grip onto the back end of it so it doesn't pull away from the wall. Actually, this one I can probably... let's center it so I can actually do this right. Oh man, Control Z. On the back again. Control Z. We're gonna do a sketch right here. Screw it. And again, line it up so I'm kind of cool with it. Nope. Kind of want to... So that's that one. And I kind of want to overlap this one so it's not like... No, we're going to keep it that way. That's fine. Line. We're going to go from here and just drag it down. Finish. No, actually this one's going to be bigger than what it was. So I'm just freehanding this. I don't have an exact science to this. Oof, I also just woke up, so I'm not the greatest here. It's gonna be 3, 4. Let's make it 5. Yeah, let's make it 5. There we go. So it's gonna... Okay, so these things were originally hung up by nails. So I'm just gonna try and do that then, I guess. Make it like nail-like. Come on, extrude that. And you know what? For structural support, we can do that. Oh man, no. Alright, so if it... Yeah, if it's gonna be nail-like... It's gotta be smaller than the original hole it goes in, so it is. It's gotta be... Okay, so that's the original. We're gonna go... So we can't go bigger than 9. But I'd want to create something big enough where it's not gonna be... Yeah, 7 point... No. 7.5. I'm gonna go with 7.5 on this one. And actually, I'm gonna decrease that to like 8.5 on that one. Just because I'm having doubts on sizes and stuff. Extrude that, and that. And we're gonna go for 3 millimeters is generally enough. And you know what? For the original design, I'm gonna just like chop off. How much? Okay, so I want to go up maybe 2 millimeters off this. So finish sketch. So I don't have to print stuff I don't need. And then we're gonna fillet that, and we're gonna go that way. Bring that out. And make it a little more round there. Alright, and then we're also gonna do the same thing with this. And that's good. Oh, I'm gonna round this out too, just cause. Not too much. Same thing with this, and strengthen it a bit because it's coming out. And okay, there we go. There's that. Now I just got to do the back side where the things go. Okay. Come on. Alright, so the clock's done. Let's zoom in. Come on. There we go. We can zoom in. There we go. And these are going to be, I'm going to do 2 individual ones that are, what, 5 pounds each or something? Because I don't trust it. We're going to do, where's the center of this? Where's the line? We're not going to go above the, nope. Rectangle there. There. It's like some weird number right there. Alright, now I'm going to measure the thing, the command strips. This is going to be 20 by 75. Wait, seriously? There's no way that's 20. Maybe it is. Yeah, no, it is. Alright, so no, we're going to go for a 2 millimeter by 22 or something? I don't know. 2 by 3? There. And 20.5. Oh no, that's 75. And this one's gonna be 20.5. And then we're gonna do another, ooh. There. 5. No, Control Z. Say 5 by 5. Alright. Rectangle from here to here. Finish sketch. Alright. Nope, we're not finishing the sketch because I'm going to mirror it. Where's mirror? Mirror. Select. Whoop. Wow, okay. No. Actually, no, I don't need to mirror these. I need to mirror that. That. Mirror line is going to be this. Okay. Then I could finish sketch. And now I need to extrude extrude everything. We're going to extrude it by 5 millimeters, and then nope, sketches. And then we're gonna actually Control Z that. We're only gonna extrude the pieces that are not there. I got the command strips are 4 millimeters thick, so 4.27, 4.27, 4. No. Okay, so it's anywhere from 4 to 4.27. We're gonna go for I want to try and get it flush, but at the same time, oh crud! Is there a? Yeah, no, that's fine. So what I want to do is 5 plus. I'm thinking 2.5 millimeters. There we go. No, we're going to continue to sketch. Oh. I see a problem. I see a problem. There we go. Five. And I don't know if that's enough spacing there, but I guess that's good enough. So this is where the inserts are going to go, and yeah, that's fine. Alright, so I think I've... Ooh, what's this? Gotta fix all the holes. And still more holes. No holes there? Okay, that's fine. We're just gonna... Oops. No, I can't do that. Wait, are these two separate? Yeah, they're two separate. Joining those. Go for 5. Nope, it won't go for 5. Because I want to get as much on here as I can so it doesn't break off. $51. Okay. And then I want to round out the edges so I don't get hurt on them. Alright. And, now that I'm looking at it, I kind of don't like that at all. Yeah, I don't really like that at all. Feet 9. Okay. So we're gonna just... How did I want to do this again? Yeah, you know what? Yep. I don't like it from a structural standpoint because it's not gonna sit right. Well, it's not gonna have all the forces being pulled down on it, and it's just right underneath it. If you have it off to the sides, it's more. It gives it a little more stability to it. The farther away the 2 points anchored to the wall are. So. Okay, so from dead center, it's going to be 10 out, line down. Okay, so wait. Okay, so then we're going to go for rectangle here, 20.5 by 75. Five. Line. Rectangle. 5. Five here and 80 there. Yep. And then we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to mirror this. That. We're going to select this to be the mirror. Okay. Finish sketch. Same thing like last time. That. 5 plus 2.5. Yeah, I think that should handle it. $11. That's why I mirror it, so that way if it's off by a little, I can just go that way instead of recreating all the triangles on both sides. This extrude 5. And oh, thank you, Farhan IQ Ball. So we're gonna start softening up the edges. So again, that way I don't hurt myself when I'm installing it. Do I want to... Okay, so I want these flush, this side flush, because it's outside the wall. So I don't want to mess that up. I don't want to mess the interior up, because that's where the command strips are gonna go. So we're gonna do this outside thing towards the clock. Ooh, okay, nope, 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 nope. Let's see if I can get in a little bit closer. And, yep, okay, there we go. Maybe just a little bit back. That's fine. Alright, now that allows me to grab everything over here. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah, that's fine. 2.5 looks about right. And then, yeah, that should give me the ability to hang my clock up. So instead of putting a nail through my wall, I'm going to be putting 2 command strips up instead. And the only reason I use 2 again is because I think that they're not the greatest product in the world, and they do degrade over time. So I want to double it up, even if it's got like a 10-pound or 5-pound carrying capacity. I still want that to make sure that I'm not. It's not going to fall down anytime soon. What else can I do with this? Well, that's pretty much it. I think I should save it, because Fusion 360 likes to crash every so often. And you know what? I think that's good, and we're ready to print. So to export this file, let's go. Where's export? And save it as an STL. All right. So, yeah, I've been streaming for 32 minutes now. So, yeah, I wanted this to be a quick, nice, and easy one to do. We've made an official adapter, or an unofficial adapter, if you an unofficial adapter between command strips and the back of my clock here. So these are going to sit on either side of the hole, and there's going to be that little piece sticking out. That's going to go where the hole is. Yeah. So I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're doing pretty well right now. And so after I print it out, I'll give you guys another update on it, and before I install it. So have a wonderful rest of the day. I might be back on with a few more other things that I want to either 3D print or play some games or something. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.